Improve your packaging operations and grow your business with the latest in equipment from PAC Machinery, live at the Modex Supply Chain Show. See our roll bag R3200 fulfillment automatic bagger. It's the first bagger on the market to use pre-opened bags on a roll, as well as being able to right-size the bag to a product. Have larger, bulky products? Not a problem for our XL version bagger. See our tabletop bagger, the R785, the solution to going from manual packaging to your first automated equipment.
This video, what you can see is liquids for spill containment being loaded into a bag. There's a suffocation warning already on the bag, and then a barcode and SKU label is printed and applied right on it. It's an extremely efficient way of improving your poly bagging process.
Pair any one of our baggers with our environmentally friendly bagging solutions too. Talk packaging solutions with our experts live at our exhibit C4488.